Welcome back, everybody. We're actually going to start working with our fabric today. We went shopping and we got all the fabrics we needed. There was 7 different kinds of, colors of fabric. So we've got those in the quantities that the pattern wanted us to. So now I'm going to take the pattern and it tells me exactly what I need to cut. So here we go. The first one I'm going to do is the dark blue. As you can tell, we didn't need a whole lot. It's only like 1/4 or maybe 1/8 of a yard. So this is width of fabric. Anytime you go and buy fabric, they're going to cut it with the fabric. I can explain a little more of that if you need it in detail. But what we're going to do first is every time they cut it, it starts fraying just a little bit. So we're going to cut it and make the first cut just a straight line. I have my trusty little ruler. I have my cutting mat. It's called a self-healing mat. So therefore it's not going to tear down every time you cut with it. And once I make that cut, you're not going to be able to tell where I cut. So what I'm doing now is just getting this straight. I'm running the cross lines here. I'm actually using the 1-inch line to make sure I've got it straight. I line it up with the folded edge of the fabric. Make sure I've still got fabric here at the end. I'm going to take my little cutter and just cut straight down. That's garbage. So the next thing we're going to do, look at our list here to see exactly what we need to cut. And the first thing it says, I need 1 strip that is 3 inches by 23.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is turn this over because I'm right-handed. I'm putting this on a line straight down. I'm going to use this and go to my 3-inch mark. Guess I should turn it the right way. My 3-inch mark, and I'm going to line that up with the edge of the fabric. Again, I'm going to use a mark down here to line it up with a black line. So if it's straight here and it's straight here, I know my strip is going to be 3 inches wide, just what they asked for. See? 3 inches here. Take it right straight up on the edge of my fabric. Follows the 3-inch mark. You notice right there it moved just a little bit. So I'm going to slide it over until it meets that 3. And this right here goes straight across. So I know I've got 3 inches that are straight. Got it straight down the line. I'm going to cut it. Move this over. Hold that for a little bit. The other part of the measurement was 23.5 inches. So I'm going to unfold, well, first of all, I'm going to cut the selvage off because this part we don't want. And again, you're going to line it up with a straight line. And I've got it exactly 3 inches here. Cut the selvage off. That's going to be garbage. I'm going to unfold it. I can do it 2 ways. I'm going to do it this way since it's easier for you guys to see. I'm going to run it right on the line again. And I hope I gave myself 23 inches. I don't think I did. Yeah, I did. So I need 23.5 inches. This ruler goes to 24 inches, so I know a 1/2 inch is going to be hanging off over here on the side. I'm going to line it up straight again. And I can use both of those lines to line it up straight. I'll run it straight down here again. So I've got my 1/2 inch here that I don't need. And I'm going to cut right here at the end of this. we will use that. But my first cut, I have 3-inch strip. It's 3 inches wide, 23.5 inches long. There's my first piece of fabric that I need to cut. So now we're going to cut the rest of this according to the measurements on the pattern, and we'll come back and we'll start sewing once we get everything cut. Come on back.